This is my 2009 E350, and I hooked up the jump pack backwards for like half a second, but then when I hooked it up correctly and got the car running, the radio wouldn't turn on. Everything else was fine, but the screen was completely black, wouldn't turn on at all. All you need is a T20, an extension, and a flathead screwdriver. First step is to put the car on to the on position and then put it in neutral. And then after you do that, you can shut it off. Next, you just open the ashtray and then pull up on the shifter bezel. Next is removing the ashtray. There are two little tabs on either side. You need to push it out with a screwdriver while you pull up the ashtray. It's kind of hard to remove the wires to the cigarette lighter, so just leave it on the side. Next are two T20s, which you need the extension for. This just slides right out, and then there's a connector. Next, there are another two T20s. These are kind of weird. They will just spin and spin and spin for a while, and then all of a sudden they'll start to get tight. You don't have to unplug these. You can just access the fuse, but I took the whole radio out so you can see better. The fuse is under this big black connector. As you can see, the fuse is blown. Got a new one in and turned right on. It did say device unavailable for a little while, but after like 10-15 seconds, it turned on and everything was working.